Popcorn pops because of the water trapped inside its kernel. Each popcorn kernel contains a small amount of water stored within a circle of soft starch. The kernel shell, or pericarp, is both strong and impermeable to moisture. As the kernel heats up, the water inside begins to turn into steam. When the temperature reaches around 180 degrees Celsius, 356 degrees Fahrenheit, the pressure inside the kernel increases. This pressure causes the soft starch to gelatinize and become pliable. Eventually, the pressure becomes too much for the shell to hold. The kernel bursts open, and the steam rapidly expands, causing the starch to inflate and spill out. As it cools, the starch solidifies into the unique, crunchy shape we recognize as popcorn. This fascinating process combines principles of thermodynamics and material science, demonstrating the power of heat and pressure in transforming a simple kernel into a delicious snack.